I would like to show you two methods to convert a Word document to a PDF file. So the first method, you use the Microsoft Word app, and then the second one, we use the internet. So let's open a Word document and convert it to PDF. So this is my Word document. I want to convert to the PDF. So to convert Word to PDF, you go to File, Save As. So here we select the location where we want to save our file. I would like to put mine on desktop. So I double click to select the desktop. And then here is where we change the file type to PDF. So when you come here to the Save As type, when you click here, you select PDF. You can leave any other options here to default and then save your file. When I go to desktop, you could see this is the PDF file. Let me open. So this is the PDF I have here. So this is how to convert Word to PDF using the Microsoft Word app. So with the second method, you will make use of the internet. So if you have a browser, any browser on your machine, just open the browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Come to the search box, type Word to PDF. Hit enter. When you get to the results page, you can use I love PDF or small PDF, but I just like to use the Adobe website for the conversion. Click to open the Adobe website. Here you could see convert Word to PDF. It's a drag and drop a Microsoft Word document to convert to PDF. So let's go to the desktop. Let me minimize this. Go to the desktop. This is the file I want to convert to the PDF. Let me drag and drop it. So when you see this blue rectangle, you can just release the mouse, drop it over there. Now you can see that your Word file has been converted successfully to PDF. So you click here to download. Here I have my download. Drag and drop this one to the desktop, and then open that one too. So this is also another way to convert Microsoft Word to PDF, and I hope you like it. Thanks.